it sure did. Wow, it tore it up all down through there. It's unbelievable. Used to be a log cabin too. Up there. Yeah, they didn't do nothing to the house. Yeah, they wasn't home. No.
They're okay?
Yeah.
They were worried about them?
Yeah.
I knew they were up there.
Yeah.
Okay. They're up on the hill, they're okay. They weren't in there. They didn't touch their house.
Didn't do nothing. It ended about right around the corner right here. Looks like where it ended there. Of it, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Bad. Oh, completely gone there. The only thing I recognize is the intersection up here. How old was that trailer house that's right there?
I think everybody right there was killed.
Yeah, they were. Yeah. That was the house with the...
What's these lines right here?
Stop sign in the yard.